Okay guys, I'm going to cover intraday trading strategies and some tips I like to use. I get asked this a lot, so I wanted to make a video on it. So this is for you guys, so stay tuned. What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, basically what I do is I review stock courses and I break them down in a step-by-step format in my 100% honest opinion. I'm going to save you guys time and I'm going to save you guys money. I upload 3 to 4 times a week, and if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. God bless. I get asked this a lot, and this is intraday trading. Like, what's the difference with intraday trading and swings? I've explained it in some of my videos, but this video is just solely based on giving you guys an intraday trading strategy and some tips to trade them slightly different than you would a swing stock. 3 tips I want to give you when you're intradaying, when you're trying to trade intraday high momentum volatile stocks would be: you need to be disciplined with your plan, and I urge you to always have a plan between entry, exit, stop loss. Have the plan prepared out and make sure your percentage gain is greater than your loss. The next tip I want to go over is have patience. Trades, if they're fast momentums, will play out super quickly. If they're not a fast momentum play, it will take time to hit your goal, maybe to the end of the day. So just have patience and let it do its thing. Let it keep going, making you money. So be very patient when intraday trading. If it isn't a fast momentum stock you're trading, then be very patient when trading and let it do its thing and get you the result you're looking for. The third tip that's super important with intraday trading is you have to be super consistent. It's very easy to not be consistent when intraday trading, and this is what will damage your account. It's easy to get 1 or 2 green trades. It's very hard to kind of narrow down the consistency of intraday trading. So if you are intraday trading, please try get your consistency down. So what I mean by this is, if you are just getting into it and learning it, keep your share size small until you build up a consistency. Another tip when intraday trading, now this kind of contradicts my last point I made, is if you are beginning intraday trading, keep your share size small until you build up consistency. But this tip is, if you are intraday trading and you're looking for more tips and you feel quite comfortable with your consistency, is go in with quite a large position size. It can be quite difficult to make a living off intraday trading if you're just trading 100-200 shares of something, because the return isn't huge on some of the stocks that you will be trading. So you have to up your share size. So what I mean by that is minimum 400, 500, even 1,000 shares per trade, depending on the price of the ticker. So bear that in mind. If it is a fast momentum play you're doing, if you get in of a break of a trend, let's say a flag, you would get in with high share volume, and then you'd be exiting fairly quickly if the trades start to break down, which would be ensuring your consistency and a good return for the day. So bear that in mind. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. There is a link in the description below. I've prepared a full module of everything you need to know how to get started in the stock world from A to Z, all the way from what platforms to use to affordable education. And I go into huge detail about candles. Check that link, guys. I hope you all enjoy.